Trading Gurus, episode 6.
Yeah, I think so.
Anyways, guys, welcome back. Here's another Trading Gurus video, and today we're just going to get into it. We had talked about a bunch of different gurus. We talked about bully gurus that try to force you into their courses, like they're going to save your account and they're going to help you when they won't even let you know if they're actually even trading, perhaps.
Yeah.
Or if they're paper trading, if they post trades, are those real trades or paper trades? You never know with these,
Mm-hmm.
Then we have the other ones that I'm doubling and tripling my account every day, and it seems like there's just no risk management in place at all, and swinging for the fences. And guys, I know, and you know what happens when we swing for the fences. This is the stock market. We're not supposed to be gamblers. We're supposed to be traders.
Right.
And I'm always disappointed in myself when I gamble. And in
Yeah.
fact, I don't care if I profit or not. I feel like a total putz if I gamble in a trade, if I'm swinging for the fences, and if I'm going too big in my position. Like looking back, it's like, wow, you made good profit in that, but is that really worth it?
Right.
Andy, what are you doing? I don't really talk to myself and say my name to myself, but
Right.
just for the sake of this video, it's like, Andy, what are you doing here?
Mm-hmm.
And we got the trading guru that basically buys at the literal bottom when it couldn't have hit a scanner, had no volume, had Sarah likes this one. Maybe Sarah should tell you about this one. Got no volume. What else we got? We got no percentage move on there.
Yeah, no percentage
We have
move.
nothing going on. They buy at the bottom, and then
They alert in their chat room, and then you get excited and you get in, and then you lose a ton of money.
instantaneously. Here we go.
Exactly.
One spike, boom.
And then your money's just like,
Yep, and it lays flat. From there, it just doesn't move. So that brings us back to, we just got to know who's in the room with us. So we're gonna make a warehouse video for you soon. It's called It's basically warehouses, something to represent trading, and I think you guys are gonna like that.
yeah, I think so.
Anyways, that video is coming soon, so you're not gonna want to miss that. We got stealth orders that is coming soon. You're not gonna want to miss that. We are going to get all this stuff out to you guys, and we're just not even going to hoard it. We're not even going to keep it to ourselves, and we're not even going to try to make bank off it and sell it to you guys. We're just going to give it to you right here.
Right.
That's because you guys are awesome every day. I'll tell you guys, every time I hear you guys say thank you, you're providing value, even if it's one of you, it's just that much more amazing and makes me drive that much harder. I'm going to keep learning. I'm going to keep driving. We can never stop learning in the market, and I'm looking at different ways of trading, and I'm pulling in, nothing's off the table. I'm looking at anything and everything to just try to better what we do here so we can offer something better to you guys.
Right.
And we really appreciate every one of you.
Yeah.
But buying a stock at the very bottom and it spiking up like that, and being alerted in the chat and then posting later that, I got $12,000, dudes, and you're like, where'd you get in? Right here before it hit an alert, before it hit any alert.
Yeah.
It's like, you'd be alerted to everything that's trading like a barcode between 1 cent.
Right, and it's like, like you said, how did you even find that? Because it's not on a scanner, and it's like, there's tons of these little stocks that are not moving that you could get.
There's tons of garbage out there that looks like it's literally gapping within its ticks with just little lines.
Right.
And then, here, finally, to the Trading Gurus video of the day. We have trading gurus out there that have made their millions because, it's got to be millions, guys. There's got to be supercars and there's got to be millions because millions makes it all better.
Right.
And then these guys are going around and just showing you their lavish lifestyles, and they've always made another trader a million, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the other traders, I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but the other traders are never better than the main trader. I can tell you guys right now, you guys are I believe that you guys are better traders than me. I know that I am reckless. I know that I am spontaneous. I know that I'm not patient with my trades sometimes. And I know by talking to you guys that you are far more, you guys are going to just blaze right by me if you haven't already. You guys are awesome. So I know that over here we'll be able to say that we have, and I'm not really interested in saying the whole millionaire thing. Milestones are cool, fist bump on the millionaire milestones and all that, but I know that I'll be able to say that we have far more students that have surpassed us. And that's what I like, and that's what I'm encouraged about. But these guys over here, I have 1, 2, 5, whatever. It's never really, I don't even think they ever had 5.
Right. I'm not sure, but it's not a very high number.
Right. So, basically you got one person who had a bunch of good PR and did a whole bunch of good business practices, grows a business, and then takes that and creates another business basically that they're vested in,
Yeah.
So and then from there, here we go.
Right. Yeah. So.
And anyways, not talking about any particular people out here, because there's many of them. There's more than one that meets this MO, and there's more than one that meets all these MOs, guys.
Yeah, I don't
there's
think
always
I know all of them.
Yeah, and the truth is like I said before, these trading gurus are not all bad. They are providing trading information. They are providing some substance, and just the fact that they're creating more momentum and traction within like Twitter and different social media sites, like they're keeping the ball rolling in the conversations perhaps about trading. Although I don't really see much of them participating in the real productive value making process on social media.
Yeah, you're right. I really haven't seen that too much either.
Yeah, that's another
thing. With a lot of them.
Maybe the gurus are just selfish, guys. I don't know.
I don't know.
But yeah, so we got trading gurus that are always making these proteges and then putting the protege out for you. Why? So you can become that protege. So you can see yourself, like you know that you're gonna be the one. Like you're always gonna be that next millionaire student.
Right.
Like you're the billionaire student or 100,000 student, whatever it might be. Like million's always the number though. It's always a million.
Right. My next millionaire student.
I don't know how many of these guys I've heard say that they have like a millionaire student, or they're working on, like I've heard one that I'm working on. Like I have one that's like 700,000. They're so close to they're going to be my first millionaire student. It's always about this millionaire student.
Right.
And the whole point is that you're going to be like, I'm going to be the millionaire student. Then you're going to go in there with these bad practices, probably with their broker. Just, I don't know, guys. A lot of the brokers that I see these guys using too, they're the ones you hear about freezing all the time and shutting down and crashing and there's one thing if your computer has a problem and you can reboot and be fine. There's a whole other thing if your broker, if the actual like servers and behind the scenes is
yeah exactly.
So anything else you got to say about these trading gurus?
No, I think some of them may have just gotten lucky in the market to make their millions.
Some of them may not have ever traded it even at all.
Maybe, but
some of them may have just seen a drought and need for trading information and came in here and started paper trading. Saw that other people were losing and said, I'm really smart. I'm not going to be dumb like them and lose. Mm-hmm. And they said, I can make more money off this trading thing by creating this education program and telling you that I'm trading, while all I'm doing is actually paper trading.
That too, I also believe that to be true for some trading gurus, that they're making more money off their students than they are actual trading.
I mean, it's like, boom, genius, right? Like, I can make money by never trading at all, but I'm paper trading. And then, here you are looking up thinking, wow, look at this guy with $65,000. $65,000. There's another number that is often. A lot of these guys always have $65,000 worth of shares. No matter what they're trading. It could be a big cap stock. It could be a penny stock, whatever. They always seem to have $65,000 worth of stock.
Yeah.
Every single trade. It's like, if I took $65,000 positions in a lot of the stuff I traded, it would crash down on me and I would lose over like probably 20 grand, 12 grand in a heartbeat.
I couldn't imagine losing that much money.
Guys, she says that, but we've already been there. We've been in the red $7,200. So,
yeah, I know.
I don't really like to share numbers as far as like dollar signs, but just so you guys know, we've been in the red $7,200. We've closed out trades that are, like negative $3,000, negative $600, like, and some of those trades was just me being a foolish man.
Yeah, and the stocks, what's the saying? If they don't...
if they don't scare you out, they'll wear you out.
Yeah.
And that is so true with all these...
Yeah,
she's looking at stocks that are trying to wear people out right now. So that's why she's saying this. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining us for this new Trading Gurus video. And again, we're sorry we missed last week. But here, we're going to get this out to you, and we're going to be here for you guys. Thanks so much, and we appreciate your support.
Yep, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.